Welcome to Vast Accessories, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a curious beginner, get ready to embark on an exciting journey through the digital realm, exploring the latest gadgets, software, and cutting-edge innovations. Our mission is to demystify complex tech concepts. Whether you're looking to make informed tech decisions, learn something new, or simply geek out over the latest tech wonders, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this thrilling tech adventure. iReel 1. Fishing can be fun and relaxing, but also stressful too. So you may wish you could have a smart fishing reel that can connect to your phone and gives you smoother and longer casts. If so, check out the iReel 1, the world's first smart fishing reel with Bluetooth connectivity and digital braking system. The iReel 1 is a high-tech device that has a unique feature that makes it perfect. It can connect to your smartphone and app via Bluetooth and give you real-time feedback and control over your casting. You can also use the digital braking system to optimize your casting performance and accuracy. Beast Athlete Tracker. Maybe you always go to the gym to improve your strength and power. But do you wish you could track your performance and progress with real-time data and feedback? If so, you might want to check out the Beast Athlete Tracker, the smart sensor that measures your speed and power. The tracker is a high-tech device that uses an accelerometer and a gyroscope to measure your speed and power for each rep. It connects to your smartphone and shows you your data on the Beast app. The Beast Athlete Tracker is easy to use and effective. You can choose from different training modes such as velocity-based training, power-based training, or free training. You can also set your goal, such as strength, hypertrophy, or endurance. The sensor will guide you to train at the right load and intensity for your goal. Mangroomer. Having hairs in places our hands can't reach can cause us a lot of discomfort. So maybe you want to get rid of your unwanted back hair and look more confident and attractive. Or you wish you could have a device that can let you shave your own back easily and comfortably. If that is the case with you, then check out the Mangroomer, the ultimate do-it-yourself electric back hair shaver. This is a smart and innovative device that has a patented design that enables you to reach all areas of your back by yourself. It has an adjustable handle that can extend and lock at any length, and a flexible neck that can follow the contours of your back and give you a clean shave just the way you want it. BANDO 4.0. Your traditional wallet are old and outdated, but you need a wallet that can do more than just store your cards and cash. A wallet that is made of durable, weatherproof, and ultra-thin material. You might want to check out the BANDO 4.0, the multifunctional slim wallet that does it all. This is a smart invention that weighs only 32 grams and measures only 8 centimeters. It is made of Saffiano canvas, a material that is strong, water-repellent, and scratch-resistant. BANDO 4.0 includes a magnetic security latch, cash band with silicone grip dots, and quick-draw ejection port with a 5-card capacity. It also contains 2 slots in front and 1 secret slot in back, with a total capacity of 8 cards and multiple bill space. DeWalt TSTAK Tool Organizer. There are some jobs that require you to carry a lot of tools and accessories on the go. You might be looking for a way to keep them neatly and securely. Now there is a solution. It is the DeWalt TSTAK Tool Organizer. This item helps you store your tools smartly. The Tool Organizer is a device that lets you store and organize your tools with modular and stackable boxes. With DeWalt, you can customize your storage system according to your needs and preferences. You can choose from different sizes and types of boxes such as drawers, organizers, carts, etc. You can also connect and detach the boxes easily with durable side latches, as it can be carried or transported with ergonomic handles or wheels. ZERA Wireless Charging Shaver. Shave like never before with a shaver that can give you a close and comfortable trim without any hassle, and charge wirelessly while working with any Qi-enabled device. Introducing ZERA. This is a shaver that has ceramic blades that are sharp, durable, and gentle on your skin. It is not just a shaver but also a smart and innovative device that uses wireless charging technology to power up. It has a sleek and minimalist design with a magnetic snap on the zipper puller. It has 3 ceramic blades that spin at 6,800 RPM, delivering a smooth and precise shave. The ZERA Wireless Charging Shaver is the ultimate solution for your shaving problem. It is also easy to clean, as you can just twist off of the blade foil and wash it under the tap because ZERA is waterproof. Or you can simply use the brush included in the package to clean those tiny stubbles stuck in the shaver blade. And since it is chemically inert and does not need an outer shield, it can be used with any shaving product without fear of corrosion. KastKing BlowBak Tactical Storage Bag. Looking for a bag that can store and carry your fishing gear and accessories? Or a bag that can also be used as a sling backpack, a tool bag, or a fidget toy? And a bag that is made of tough material and has a die-cut tactical maul system? If so, you might want to check out the KastKing BlowBak Tactical Storage Bag, the ultimate fishing bag for the adventurous. This bag is not your ordinary fishing bag. It is a smart, versatile, and lightweight, water-repellent and durable design. It has multiple pockets and compartments to organize your fishing rod, reel, tools, lures, and other items. It also has a side beverage pocket, an open-bottom neoprene side pocket, and a built-in plier holder. The KastKing BlowBak Tactical Storage Bag has a unique feature that makes it stand out from the crowd. It has a die-cut tactical maul hold-down system that provides unlimited possibilities that help customize your bag to suit your needs. You can attach various items such as fishing rods, nets, flashlights, or patches to the bag using the maul straps. TPT Slide. Do you need more tools to make your life simpler? If so, let me introduce you to the TPT Slide. This is a titanium pocket tool that has 10 functions in one. It's like a Swiss Army knife on steroids, as it can open bottle, drive screws, pry things, scrape things, and more. It has a slide lever at the top that lets you access the insert, which can be swapped with a standard utility razor blade. It also has a removable pocket clip and an ergonomic handle. The TPT Slide is made of tough and light aircraft aluminum with an anodized finish. It's the ultimate gadget for any outdoor lover. It weighs only 20 grams and measures only 8 centimeters because it is made of titanium and has a sleek and minimalist design. It has a magnetic snap on the zipper puller that provides a smooth and addictive tactile sensation, as it is durable and corrosion resistant for years to come. Barbossa Beard Behaviour Straightener. A smooth and smart beard is one of those things that boosts your confidence and style. Do you want to have a device that can straighten your beard in minutes without damaging or burning it? One of the best options for this purpose is the Barbossa Beard Behaviour Straightener, the amazing beard comb for men. This straightener is not your ordinary comb. It is a smart and innovative device that uses anti-static coating and advanced ionic conditioning to glide through your beard. It eliminates frizz and snagging, giving you instant results that last all day. The Barbossa Beard Behaviour Straightener is easy to use and adaptable. You can choose from 3 heat settings, ranging from 150 degrees Celsius to 190 degrees Celsius, depending on how thick or coarse your beard is. You can also use the temperature switcher to change the heat level quickly and easily. Carabiner Compass Watch. You love outdoor adventures, right? But hate carrying bulky and heavy watches and also getting lost. So how about you had a watch that can also function as a carabiner, a compass, and a bottle opener? If so, welcome to the world of the Carabiner Compass Watch, the ultimate multifunctional watch for the active explorer. This is a smart and innovative device that has a clip-on design that can attach to your belt, bag, or anything else. It is made of stainless steel and ion-plated metal with a luminous dial and hands. It has a built-in compass that can show you the direction, and a bottle opener that can open your drinks. The Carabiner Compass Watch is easy to use and reliable. You can read the time and the direction at a glance, thanks to the large and clear display. The Carabiner Compass Watch is fun and interactive. You can use it as a fidget toy or a conversation starter. It also has a magnetic snap that provides a smooth and addictive tactile sensation. NOMAD Grill and Smoker. Imagine a grill that can smoke and barbecue your food with ease and efficiency. A grill that can fold into a briefcase and go anywhere with you. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's not a fantasy. It's NOMAD Grill and Smoker, the portable charcoal barbecue grill that can cook up to 30 burgers or 2 racks of ribs at once. It's like a mini oven that fits in your briefcase for adventurous cooks. It is an innovative invention that weighs only 28 pounds and measures only 21 inches. It is made of cast aluminum and anodized metal, with a patented thermal design that keeps the outside shell cool to touch. It has 2 separate cooking chambers that can be used independently or together. You can use one chamber for grilling and the other for smoking, or you can use both chambers for extra space and capacity. You can monitor and control your cooking with the built-in thermometer to get your desired result. Cobra Survival Paracord Bracelets. Do you love exploring the outdoors and being prepared for any situation? Or do you want to have a bracelet that can help you survive and thrive in nature? If so, Cobra Survival Paracord Bracelet is your solution. It is the perfect bracelet for adventurers. These is a bracelet that has paracord, a fire starter, a whistle, and a knife. With this bracelet, you can use the paracord for various purposes, such as making shelters, making traps, or fishing lines. You can also use the fire starter to ignite tinder and keep warm. EDCfans Keychain Knife is a tool that has a retractable blade, a bottle opener, a screwdriver, and more. With EDCfans Keychain Knife, you can do various tasks with ease and convenience. You can also switch between different blade lengths and shapes.